Sunday night pick'em. Start your weeks off in the blues. You know how we're doing. We're looking at GU. We're looking at GU on the daily chart. We have our lines drawn up as always on the chart. Our channel going from September 28th of last year till now. It's still going bullish. It's been going bullish for quite some time now. So you should be looking for buys, in my personal opinion. I'm no financial advisor. Take these trades at your own risk. But hey, this is what we're looking at. On the daily chart, we are going up. We have some demand. We have some buyers in the market. It came down, closed on the day on a bearish candle. So we got some things that it could happen. The market has a decision to make. It has a decision to make. It may go down. It may go down below 3,900, and it can go down from 3,900 to 3,800. That's typically how the market works with GU. But with that being said, our line drawn up on the chart, just so you know what we're looking at here, we have 3,800 to 4,100. Those are our zones. It moves from every 1,000. That's how I like to look at the market on GU. And the orange lines are every 500, and that's from 3,800, 3,500, and 40,500. But with that being said, we're still looking at GU. We're going in. We're going to zoom in. We're going to scale in. We're going to see what we're looking at. Go down to the 4-hour chart, zoom in a little bit more so we can get a better picture. As you see, we're still getting higher highs and higher lows. It did come back some, but it came back and tested this other resistance line. This other resistance line has been a support for a long time, actually. So it's been respecting that for quite some time. It's going to come back. It's got some pullback to do. We're looking at the 4-hour. That's going to take us maybe, 8 hours maybe to get there. But if it comes back to the right time, you're down to the 2 hours. It's got a decision to make. You can see here we got a morning star that formed, a clear morning star, break a structure over here to the left. It's always looking to the left. Just remember that. Look to the left because you're predicting future market positions off of previous market positions. It's that simple. It really is. You're predicting future market positions off of previous market positions. So look to the left, see what it did. If it breaks above that zone, it has to get to another zone because the market moves in zones. The bank is not going to trade at random numbers, and that's where these zones come into place. That's why they're at 500 and 1,000. 500 times your lot size, 50 pips, but 500 times your lot size equals your profit. So when it moves 500 pips, it's going to move to the next 500 before it turns around and goes to the next. So it came back down, touched 40,000. Came all the way back down to 39,000. So now it came back up, made a morning star. That means buyers are in the market. That's on the 2-hour time frame. You can see another trend line that I'll draw up for you real quick. Got an arrow from here to here. Like that's clear. Buyers are in the market. This is the trend. This is how it's spiking right now. So it can go up right away with the ABC formula from 39,500 to 40,000 because if you scroll in, if it gets probably right above 39,450, you can maybe buy aggressive, get in. If it does that right away all the way to 40,000, if it does that right away in the market. However, I always like to look for the snipe. I always wait for the pullback. Always wait for the pullback. Don't get in early. Always wait for the pullback. So if you wait for the pullback on GU, maybe Monday into Tuesday, probably what we're looking at. I'm going to draw my box. I'm going to draw my box probably right in here. This is going to be my box. I'm going to be looking for it to come somewhere into this box. And when it comes into this box, I'm going to be looking for it to break out or break a structure. The break a structure I'm probably looking for is probably going to be right here. And if you look right here, we have a lot of bullish action, which is demand in the market, and it's going to come back to this zone. It's going to break above, and you're going to catch a wick, and you're going to ride the wick all the way up to 39.5. And then if you're going to make it has to make a decision to make, and I think it's going to break above, and it's going to go up to 41,000. And we may be looking at it going to keep above, depending on how the dollar does, back up to 42. And if it breaks 42, now we're looking to the left, and if you go to the left past 42, it's years ago. So that's what we're looking at. GU every week, Sunday night pick'em. Start your weeks off in the blues. We got GA coming up next. Make sure you keep on watching, and we're taking these trades to the moon.
Welcome to Sunday Night Pick'em Forex Edition. This is your boy Jay Moore, here to help y'all make more money. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you want to get free analysis to start your week in the blues, you can find us here every week. Let's go. Let's get right into it. I got GA here for y'all this week, and this is the daily time frame. I got 3 zones on the chart: 1.7 flat, or 1.75 flat, 1.8 flat, and 1.85 flat. Right now we're in a bullish uptrend, but we're running into this resistance here at 1.8 flat. We've broken above it the last couple times here, but overall we're still up in the uptrend. The lows are not breaking market structure. You got this one here, you got this one here, and this one here, all forming higher lows. Still not really breaking this trend line yet. So overall, my bias for the week is that price is going to break above this 180 level, and finally on the retest we'll stay above, and we'll be targeting these daily highs over here, and we'll be off to the races, off to the moon, and overall target this 185 flat. Right, that'll probably be next week. I do have targets to the downside as well, just in case. We react every single day to the market, and these are just at daily lows. That's how I like to target the counter trends. I like to target the Wicks. But this is what I'd be looking for this week coming up. We're already at the trend line. We'll see maybe a little push up, bounce off this trend line again. You could be, aggressive there and target that entry there, and then just even targeting these highs is, look at that, that's 180 pips. So do your own research, do your back testing. Don't just take the trades with us, but I will give you my pick in a second that I believe, and this is what I'm looking for though. I'm looking for the break above this zone, the pullback, giving me some sort of candle formation, a double bottom, inverted head and shoulders, moving average crossover above this zone to keep price above 180 and starting to push us to the upside. That is what I'm looking for this week. And my pick is, where is it? Right here. Right here. Buys above 1.80250 with a retest. So after it breaks it, a retest back to this area, and I need the confirmation. Like I said, I needed a bullish candle formation. I need moving average crossover. I need a support to be formed, and then we'll start breaking these highs. We'll get a nice demand zone somewhere in there, and we'll take our pick right to the moon. This is your boy Jay Moore. Any questions, hit me in the DM. Giving out free analysis. So give us a like and a subscribe. And run it up. Let's start your week in the blues. Let's go.